Alright, so we're coming at you with the vlog today. Yes, I film on my phone. Fight me. Becoming a very hostile person on this channel. So I figured I'd show you a little OOTD. Do people still do that? I don't even know. But I'm wearing this shirt that I got from my sister. Super cute. Shout out to you, Lily. Thanks for updating my closet. I'm wearing some Hollister jeans. Oh yeah, peep that mom butt. Where to go? Buggy, you want to show your OOTD? So we have on this adorable little bear sweatshirt that goes with these pants. Shout out to Ingrid and Leonard for getting that for him for his birthday. I haven't figured out shoes yet because it's 38 degrees outside. But you know, we're wearing a summer shirt. It's cool. It's flowy. I like the back, not too cropped, and boxes down. All right. But today we are looking for a car. I've only been looking for like a month. It's cool. It's whatever. Not bitter about it. But I braided my hair. Tried to like French braid this for like the first time. You know, Mom, how's it look? What is this hair doing? Okay, we're gonna fix this. Pull that out of the bobby pin. Oh shit, I made it worse. Alright. Where are you trying to go, friend? Maybe over here? Nope. Okay. Okay. I just ruined my hair. Cool. Alright. But like I said, we're looking for a car today. We've been looking and we found some that we like, and then they end up being sold, so it's been a fun time. But yeah, I think we're all just waiting to get ready. I'm getting hangry. Buggy, are you hangry? Do you want breakfast? Even though it's almost 11, but it's okay. Yeah, so I figured I'd bring you guys along on this fun little journey. And this doesn't have front pockets. What is this? Well, I will touch base with you guys once we finally leave the house. Okay, so we just got to the dealership. We were here yesterday. My ear itches. So we were here yesterday, and a car that we really liked ended up getting sold, so now we're back. And does anybody else's brain like literally not work after having a baby? Like, Brantley's 15 months old and I swear my brain doesn't work. One, I missed Brantley's doctor appointment yesterday because I literally forgot about it, even though I got a text message reminder saying, hey, Brantley has an appointment at February 21st. And now my friend just texted me and we were supposed to have a play date today, and here I am looking at cars, and she's like, what time do you think you'll be over? And I'm like, I'm the worst human being ever. We've had to reschedule 2 times already. I'm trying not to reschedule again, but I'm telling you, my brain doesn't work. It doesn't. My main focus now is like, I need a car, and that's all I can think about, and so my brain's just like, I'm telling you, it doesn't work.
What's your brain like?
It's not functioning anymore. But the guy that is helping us look at cars, he is talking to somebody else right now, so I'm just kind of hanging out, you know. She just messaged me. But on a side funny note, last night Caleb and I were wrestling at our friend's house, and I climbed on top of his back and wrapped my arms around while he was sitting on the steps, and he leaned over because he couldn't hold my weight and smashed my shoulder into their little, like, they have like a half wall right at the end of their steps, and I smashed my shoulder into it, and then he fell back and landed on my foot that I broke a couple years ago. So that was fun, but he's coming over, so let's keep looking. Alright, so I just bought it. We're at my mom's right now. I'm feeding Bug, and we're gonna clean out my car and switch everything over to it and everything like that, and then we have to take my current car to my dad, because I was borrowing it, I guess. But yeah, bought a car. We paid cash for it, so I don't have a payment or anything like that, so that's nice. Are you done? You want to play with the kitties? Are you done? I'm going to put the bubble away. Okay, didn't think you were done. So yeah, I'll show you guys it, and we'll do a car montage, because that's what all the cool YouTubers do, right?
No.
Well, they do. Are you just saying I'm not cool? I see how it is. I see how it is. Alright, so I'll touch base with you guys here in a little bit. Alright, so we are in the new car. I'll just give you a little shot back. That's right, I bought a minivan. I'm a minivan mom. And I'm not sad about it. Weird fact. Minivans are my dream car. Okay, so we're back home. I know this vlog has been all over the place, and the last clip you saw was me showing the inside of the car. But we decided to, I can't get out of my jacket. Thank you. We decided to come back to the house for a little bit. We decided to come back to the house for a little bit. Bug's been in the car all day, so we're letting him run around and play, and then we have to go up to get Caleb's check here in a little bit. So, sorry, my foot itches, okay? But yes, I bought a mom van. It's a Honda Odyssey, and we paid cash for it, so we don't have a payment or anything like that. And now we're just kind of hanging out, and I don't really know. Today's been like just crazy and not at the same time, so we're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna play with Bug because, like I said, he's been cooped up all day, so he's watching Caleb play video games right now. You know, my life. Alright, so I'm gonna play with Bug. I'll see you guys here in a little bit.
But tomorrow's not a sure thing. The clock don't stop ticking away. Yeah, 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 yeah. The clock don't stop ticking away, away. Always hanging on the wall. No, it don't care at all. It won't slow down. It won't wait. The clock don't stop ticking away. It's ticking away. Head scared, heart broke, burned from a band of gold. Rather just be alone. It's just a bad joke. Bang bang on a drum.
Goodbye to this hunk of junk. Goodbye, hunk of junk. Hello, Harper. Hello. Did you say hi to everybody? So cute. Yes. What are you doing? I ain't got a dog. I don't know why you sniffing me. Oh, maybe the previous owners had a dog. Don't lick me. Yuckies. Come on, do your paw thing. Do your paw thing. It's really cute. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, show everybody how you paw. Harper. Oh, now all of a sudden you don't want to be needy? Okay, I'll stop petting you. Nope, I stopped. Okay, pet, stop. Okay, I have to go, baby. Okay, so hopping back on, we're home. We went and got Caleb's check, and then we had to go and grab some dinner because we were starving, and then we just got home. We're eating, and then we're just gonna watch TV. I know this vlog has been sporadic, and I'll probably do like a daytime like look at my car tomorrow just because I can't really see it in the dark, but that's going to be it. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below what you think of my new ride. I mean, obviously I showed you guys what I was upgrading from, and it was rough. So comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time my beautiful face is on the screen. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.